Hey YouTubers, Jen True here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So today's video is about wilderness first aid. I was out walking my dog in the woods and I got myself my cuticle cut up on something. Don't ask. For those of you that know me, you just know. I don't know how, but this stuff, it just happens. I always get hurt or, yeah. So anyway, I thought that this would be a great opportunity to have a video on wilderness first aid. Now, two of the things I always have with me is I always have a lighter wrapped with black, that Gorilla tape, and then my little farmer's knife here. I love this Swiss Army knife. It's great. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and find the white pine because that has some, oh, let's try not to cut myself again. Hold on. Get this out. We're going to find the white pine. And the white pine, the sap acts as a, like Neosporin, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves a little bit. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did. So I just cut that little square right here, okay? And it's springtime, so you're going to see that the sap just starts to run. It'll like start to come out actually on your cut lines. And then you're just going to cut a piece off like that, okay? And it won't hurt the tree. It'll grow back, all right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and put this right over the wound, okay? Oh, my dog just jumped on me. And then I'm going to get my piece of duct tape that I had on my lighter, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that bark as my, like my Band-Aid or my gauze pad or whatever. And then you can see, ooh, at least it's contained. And now I won't be bleeding all over the place on the trail or on my dog. But I hope that you enjoyed my video today, and I hope that it helps you in some way. Hopefully you don't ever get hurt and you won't need to use it, but if you do, you'll know how and you'll know what to do. And yeah, so now I can just keep walking and we can keep going on our walk, and I'll bandage this thing up when I get back home later. But it's just a little quick tip, and if you haven't yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please go ahead and hit that notification bell at the top so that you get all my new stuff. All right, well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had a great day, and be a wilderness warrior. Be a steward of the outdoors and get outside. All right, guys, thank you. Bye now.